Just seconds to go until the start of trading on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Stocks, as you know, set to kick off lower. Financial stocks, one of the biggest weights, at least from pre-market. Some of the nation's biggest banks facing a deadline today. They have to explain how they're going to raise more cash for their capital reserves. We take you right now to Cris Valero. She's on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange with the action out of the gate. Cris.
Hey, Deirdre, that was the Alzheimer's Association ringing that opening bell here. Here's the deal. We're headed into this session. Dow Jones Industrial Average in the green for the year. That said, we are seeing weight this morning. Of course, the concern again, have we come too far, too fast? And specifically, is the economic recovery sustainable? Are the numbers that we're seeing sustainable? Also, are valuations and proper and future earnings growth for these companies properly priced into these markets? And that is what investors are trying to gauge at this point. There is a lot of attention this morning on interest rates, the possibility of the Fed raising interest rates. That rhetoric coming back into this market, being talked about last week, continuing this morning. Of course, the bond market heavily discussed as a result as well. A lot of analyst reports I was reading this morning also talking about the inflation, deflation debate rearing its head once again. So certain things, several things that this market will be watching. As for specifics from a market perspective, specific industry groups, we're going to be watching those financial stocks. Of course, you have the Citi swap stock, certainly one to watch. Also have to mention commodity producers because, of course, you have that strengthening dollar starting to weigh on those commodities. Deirdre.
Cris, thanks very much.